This is 8th standard English revision I am talking about. And what you have to study: Unit 1, lesson number 1.1 to 1.4. In this you have to read all the lessons, go through it very nicely, and then poem you read nicely. Then meanings, you will be asked meanings from the lessons, rhyming words from the poem, rearrange the words, that is the jumble words will be given, and from that you have to write the correct words. You have to find options will be given. Now these all questions will be having options. You have to just read that and attempt it. Then who said to whom, that is from your lesson only, the characters, that what the dialogue said. So the sentence will be given, and you have to tick the answers or mention the numbers of the answers. Okay. Then write a word from extract, that is the word given, that is the meaning will be given, and you have to write the word from the poem extract, okay, or lesson extract passage. Then true or false will be there, that is events will be asked, that whether it happened or the character said like this or what. So true or false, that is also objective based. Then do as directed. In this, grammar questions will be asked, grammar related to your common definitions will be asked, or the filling the blanks will be asked. There only the answer will be there. Definition will be not asked. Filling the blanks will be there, and in that bracket will be given, from that write the answer or tick the answer, like that it will be. So all objective based. So only thing is that you have to read the lessons properly and attempt the question. The question paper will be of 40 marks, and there is no question answers, only objective based. So this is for your English. And then your SS portion, that is also as this 40 marks paper, it is there. So your history, you are having lesson number 1 and 2, then civics lesson number 1 and 2, and geography lesson number 1. Yes. So from this you have to prepare, go through the lesson very very nicely, and this paper will be objective based with answers, okay, with answers. So it can be it is not full answers or brief answers asked, only objective based. Yes. So there can be questions like this. It's an example, like choose the correct options and write, that is then name the following, right or wrong. Then in history there will be choose the correct options. Then years and events it can be asked, and along with this answers. So there is no need for you to, true or false will be there. Complete the concept map, it can be there. Then full forms of words, it can be there. So just go to the lessons properly, write it, prepare it, study it very nice. And this is also objective based, so answers will be provided. You have to just read the question and tick the correct answer or write the correct number in the box. It is as easy. Okay, so study well, and your unit test is starting from 2nd of September.